Hi, friends. A very good morning to all of you. All of us now know about the Surya Tilak ceremony because of Ram Navami mein Surya Tilak ceremony was done. So I want to share a very important. Well, it's for your knowledge, obviously, yes, and I want everybody to know about this. So there is this Konark Sun Temple in Odisha. The main entrance of the temple has this tilak. It is the first ray of the sun that we see. This is in Konark Surya Temple, Odisha. Then we have the Gavi, Ganga Dareshwara. This is in Karnataka. So on Makar Sankranti, the sunlight enters the cave temple and Nandi, Shiva's bull, and then the Shivling. We see this tilak. Then in Maharashtra, we have the Mahalakshmi temple. There we have this twice a year, Kiranotsav festival. The light is seen on the feet of Ma. Very beautiful sight. Then in Gujarat, we have the Koba Jain temple. So during the Surya Abhishek, the sunlight is on the forehead of Mahavir Swami statue for about 2.5, 3 minutes. This happens at 2:07 p.m. in the afternoon. Then we have Unnao Balaji. This is a Surya temple in MP, Madhya Pradesh. Now this is aligned with the sun's path. The first ray is on the idol in the temple in the innermost part. Again, like a tilak, you know. So this all we know about, and I think many people know about this. Many don't know. I want them to know. So that's why I've made this audio. Now there is one temple in Neral, Mathiran. There are about 4 or 5 temples in the same area, 100 feet from each other. Supposed to have all the biggest of murtis, and there is a Navgraha temple, there is a Shiv temple, there is a Durga Ganesh Hanuman temple, there is a Krishna Kali temple. I think most of you will know about it. Now this temple has another small new temple, is known as the Kal Navgraha Shakti Peeth. Now this has a Surya Tilak ceremony every day, 365 days. There is the Kalima Murti over there, and this tilak is seen every day in the evening between 5:30-35 and 5:40-45. And the sunlight makes the tilak straight on the head of Ma Kali. This is not once, twice, or 5 times, or 10 times, or 100 times in a year. This is 365 every day. And it's one of the most beautiful sights, one of the most divine. I have seen it, so I can explain it to you. But this is one very, I don't know, it's more than a blessing, it's no words actually. So, because I wanted you all to know about this, I had to tell you all about all the Surya Tilaks that happen in our country. It's very divine. Don't have words to put this. How do I explain it? But yeah, when I make the next video, I will definitely put it there and show everybody. So this was something very important which I wanted to share with all of you. So guys, take care of yourself and stay blessed, stay healthy, and I love you.